We're going from triangle ABC onto triangle DEF. So we're starting here and we're going to end up here. Notice we're going from a small one to a big one, okay? So that's going to mean a dilation, and I'll show you that in a second. But first, let's get this one over here to look like this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use tracing paper. And you may not need tracing paper. It's entirely up to you. I find that that is very useful for me. And this looks, see, this is a right angle here, and this is a right angle here. So I want to get this point here all the way to here. So I'm going to focus on that, and then we'll see where we go from there, okay? So I'm going to move this all the way over from here to here. So it lines up with this one. So this point is moving over to here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that we are translating nine units to the left. Okay? So we went from here to here. And again, I'm going from here to, I'm using this point right there, okay, to count. Now I'm going to go from here to this one here, to this angle right here. And I'm going to go down from here to here. And that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then, so that's 9 units to the left and 7 units down. Okay. Now, the next could be a reflection or rotation. Not really sure. So let me see what a reflection does. If I reflect it across this line here, where x equals -5. So if I reflect it here, that doesn't look right, because if you look at this triangle, do you see this is longer and this is the shorter side? This is the shorter side and this is not matching. So reflecting didn't work. Okay, so that's not going to work. So let me try rotating this. I'm going to rotate it from this point, E, or I should say rotate it, this is point B, okay? So this is B, and I'll rotate it from here to here. So I'm going to go from here to here, and that is 90 degrees. So that's 90 degrees. Does that match? So I'm going to look at it again. Yeah, you see this is longer, that's longer, and this is shorter. Okay, so that is a rotation. And we went in this direction. So if I were looking at a clock, the big hand or the little hand, the hands move this direction. So that's clockwise. If I was going this, that's counterclockwise. 90 degrees. Okay, now let's do the dilation. Okay, I'm going to do that with here. Do you see this is 1, 2, that's 3. And this here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a dilation. And we're going to go from 3. So we're going from 3 to 6. Because remember, we're going from the small triangle to the big one. So from 3 to 6, and dilations are multiplication. So what do I multiply 3 with to get 6? Multiply it times 2. So this is a dilation of, oh wait, at point E, because this is where we're looking at, scale 2. So that is one way to do this, okay? Now, we could have also rotated it first, done the rotation first, and notice it's the same rotation, 90 degrees clockwise, and then, but the translation is going to be different, right? Is it? Let me see. No, translation is going to be from here. Same translation. I could go this way, but I could go this way also. I could go translate, go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 first, and then go across. So this, I could do this first and then 9 to the left, or either one. But I could do this one first and then this one, and then stretch it. So I could do these in different orders. We are all okay. Okay? And that's it.